One feels like a monster. Let's see if it is.
All these fish you see us catch today are caught on squid. That's what we'd like to use for bait.
This one's a fighter too. This one's a keeper, maybe. Woohoo! One keeper for me. Another keeper for me.
I was on fire today catching fish, and of course I had to let everybody know about it.
Seems pretty solid.
Check out this big whopper I just caught. Woohoo! Biggest one for me of the year. That's what I'm talking about. Go team! The scup were big today. We ended up with about 10.